Welcome back everyone. Now in this section we are going to learn about list. Now what are lists? Now list can be treated as a group of similar objects. Now it's a collection of similar objects. A list is a way of grouping similar objects. Like you can have a list of colors and then inside that list you can have all the colors you want, and by using the name of the list you can access all the colors inside. The best part of the list is that it helps in reducing the code size. Okay, so we have opened up our PyCharm here. Now to make a list, it is very simple. To make a list, we type in the list name and then we put the equal to sign. Inside square brackets, remember it is not the parenthesis, we are using the square brackets. We list in the elements of our list, separated by a comma. Suppose you are making a list of numbers from 1 to 10. To make the list, it is very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the way up to 10. You can make a list of the first 10 numbers. Now in this case, we have made a list of the first 5 numbers. It is very simple to make a list. Just open a square bracket. Inside the square bracket, type in the elements of your list, separated by a comma. Remember the comma part. Then we just close that list. So we have made a list here. Now let's try printing this list. To print this list, it is very simple. Just type in print and inside the bracket type in our list variable name. Now A is the name of the list, so we'll type in print A. Now let's run this. And in the output screen you can see the list here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now this is a list of numbers. If you want, you can also make a list of strings. Strings are basically text. Our last section was all about strings. So you already have an idea on how strings work. So now we have made a list of 5 colors. Now if we print out colors, in the output screen we are going to get red, yellow, blue, green and violet. So this is a list of colors. Now the main use of list is to reduce the code size. Now instead of making colors 1 equal to red, color 2 equal to yellow, color 3 equal to blue, color 4 equal to green, blah blah, you can just make a list of all the colors and use a single variable name to access all those colors. So this is a very good way of reducing our code size and simplifying our program. So I think by now you have a clear idea on how to make list. Now let's learn about some features of list. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you and have a great day.